Hi guys, on today's video we'll be learning how to make barbecue fish at home. On this detailed video I'll show you guys the type of fish I use, how to pre-season your fish, and how to prepare your peppered sauce down to our fry, how many minutes to grill your fish for. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into how we prepared it. For pepper mix, all you need is your scotch bonnet pepper, some bell's pepper, and some onion. You want to rough blend this, as you can clearly see in this video. Now you want to go ahead and stir fry your onion. I prefer to fry my onion a little bit just to build aroma. Now you want to go in with your pepper mix, spread that a little bit, or you can stir like I've just done in this video. Now you want to cover that and allow it to cook. After a few minutes, you want to go in with your ingredients. All I've used is some thyme, curry, salt, and seasoning cube. For fries, we'll be using yam and sweet potato, which I'm pretty sure you can't tell the difference from this video. But we're going to be using this fun knife to cut them into slices. This just helps it to look fun while you're eating it. And this is the aftermath. We're just going to go back to check our pepper sauce. And as you can see, it's properly done, like it's well cooked. And how to know that your sauce is ready is when you can visibly see the oil floating on top of the sauce. Now let's get into our fish. For the fish, you want to first of all score it on both sides. This just allows the seasoning to incorporate properly into the fish that you're about to grill. This particular fish is called croaker fish, but you can also use catfish. Now when you're done doing that, you want to now season your fish, pre-season your fish prior to adding your fish sauce. For this seasoning, I've simply just used some thyme, curry, seasoning cubes, salt, and some paprika. By pre-seasoning your fish, it allows you to build more flavor while grilling your fish. This process also helps you to season your fish properly because you cannot just rely on spicy sauce. Now you want to massage that front and back, making sure that all the ingredients have spread evenly around the fish. Now that you're done with your pre-seasoning, this is the time to now go in with your peppered sauce. Again, you want to massage this properly, both in and out of the fish, from head to bottom, literally. And you also want to massage in between where you have scored your fish. If you've watched this video up until this time, please do well to subscribe, like, and share. In this channel, I teach you honest reviews on how I make my food, and I also go ahead to tell you the mistakes I've made so you don't have to make it next time. So if you're looking for where to come in and learn recipes of how to impress your man or your woman in the kitchen, then make this channel your home. Please do not skip this step. I usually add some lemon into my grilled fish. This makes a huge difference. I've tried it without the lemon and I've tried it with the lemon, and I can guarantee you that it makes a huge difference when you're grilling your fish. Now you just want to wrap that up. Usually I wrap it up just at the top so it's easier for me to unwrap after grilling it, because it comes out really hot, and if you've wrapped it round, it's difficult to unravel after you're done cooking. Now we're just gonna put this into the grill and allow it to grill for 40 minutes. While that is grilling, we're just going to go ahead and fry our fries. I don't even know if this English is correct, but I know you'd understand what I mean. And just like that, your fish is ready. Please let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this recipe. See you next time. Bye.